Ultra-focus pouches. These are oral pouches made with plant-based ingredients that claim to enhance mental clarity and focus, all without caffeine or nicotine. It sounds intriguing. They state they blend natural nootropics such as Infinity, PX, l-theanine, alpha-GPC, ginseng, and B vitamins to help improve concentration, alertness, and energy, simply by placing a pouch in your mouth. So, the central question is, do they actually deliver, or is this mostly marketing? Let's examine the details. First, a positive note. These pouches are available on Amazon. While being on Amazon doesn't guarantee a product is exceptional, it does indicate it meets certain platform standards, which can provide some reassurance. It also allows you to easily see reviews and ratings from real customers. Next, many users appreciate the caffeine-free energy lift. Some mention it's a good substitute for coffee or energy drinks. For those trying to reduce nicotine, it can also replace the brief focus boost that nicotine typically provides. People also comment that the flavor is actually pleasant, which, let's be honest, isn't always true with supplements. Another advantage is that many see it as a healthier alternative to nicotine. Some reviewers report feeling a similar mental sharpness without nicotine's harmful side effects. A number even use it during exercise or when they need a quick mental refresh. Overall, for individuals avoiding nicotine, this appears to be a reasonable choice. But the feedback isn't entirely positive. Experiences are mixed. While some enjoy the taste and effects, others find it unpleasant or too costly. Effectiveness also varies. Some notice a clear improvement in focus and energy, while others feel little to no effect. Impressions about quality and satisfaction are also divided. Some find the pouches refreshing and pleasant, while others consider them overpriced or unremarkable. So, reactions really depend on the individual. Then there's the significant issue of price. Many customers feel the pouches aren't worth the expense. Although a few believe they work well, most think the results don't justify the cost. Some even say the flavor isn't good enough to make regular purchases worthwhile. Additionally, when we looked for independent reviews on Trustpilot, we found none. We also checked the YA records and found the product's domain was created in 2025, which makes it very new and harder to trust without an established track record. In conclusion, ultra-focus pouches can be a decent nicotine-free option that some users enjoy for the taste and mild cognitive lift. However, overall, it's hit or miss. Some people love it, while others feel it's not worth the price. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.